The column function in Excel tells you what column it is. The orange here is in column B. This is the second column, so I'll get 2. What if you could stack 2 photos side by side? That is exactly what HStack does. First, the purple right here is going to be stacked side by side with the other purple, hence horizontal HStack, which is like a robot dishing out exactly what you want. Here we can see it has 1 for 1 star, 2 for 2 stars, 3 for 3 stars, and then if it's anything else, it's NA. We calculate that and we can see it's 2. Looking at this spreadsheet, we can see it goes through. It looks at that purple, number 2. It goes through everything, 1, 2, and 3. It finds that it has 2 stars, and there it is, guys, 2 stars. Ever feeling a little Roman? You can actually do Roman characters with the Roman function in Excel. Len is used a lot by programmers in languages like Python. It's also in Excel. Here, it counts the number of letters, spaces, numbers in Excel to get 12. Let's take a look at this awesome Excel formula, VStack. So what it does is it stacks columns upon each other. So we have these 2 right here. We have this one in purple, and we have this one on the right in purple. So what we're going to do is we're going to use VStack to stack these on top of each other. And let's do that really quick, guys. So it runs and it stacks right on top of each other. How would you sum up just fruit here? Here we can use a SUMIF function. First, we see that fruit is in the purple column. We have 2 fruits. On the other side for fruit, we see that B2, B5. So it's going to go in, it's going to choose both these fruits, and then it's going to sum it up to get 300. What happens if you fail a class and a teacher's updating an Excel spreadsheet? Here we have the if function. Here we have B2. 75 is actually passing. So we're going to run it really quick, and it's going to show pass. It checks whether it passed or failed. Have you ever been absolutely stuck, not able to get an item out of a list? The choose function is just for that. Here we have a list with gold, silver, bronze. This function takes the second item of the list, which is silver. Let's take a look at the areas function in Excel. Here we have 2 areas, 1 in the purple, 1 in the purple down there. So those 2 areas add up to 2. So the areas function simply counts the areas. And now we'll let it run, and we have a 2. Let's take a look at HLOOKUP in Excel in 10 seconds. Here we have a table. We want to find oranges, so it searches through the second row. Orange's value is 0.6, so it searches through and finds 0.6 in that row. Let's take a look at XLOOKUP, one of the most important formulas in Excel. Here we have B24. It's looking up the B24 value in the range of A2 to A4, located in column A. We then move on over to C2 to C4. This is the output value, basically. So we see that B24 aligns with C2. So what we're going to get is we're going to get 25.50 since they both align. We'll calculate that, and here we have it, 25.50.